Hey you! Hello everyone. Thanks for clicking. I'm Official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'll be reacting to Ridnym by LELÉKA. So that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what go on. Peace.
Кава у капсулах Льор. Безмежна насолода.
Фудфософт від Matrix. Скажи бувай сухому волоссю. Утримує в 7 разів більше зволоження. Спробуй зараз.
Make який чудно. Maybe it's Maybelline.
Trust in the change. Everything fades, be that as it may. Ready to dust, cut from the bridge. Leaves in the flames, nothing is safe. Wish you
She's remarkable. She's remarkable. She's absolutely good. You know, I love Ukraine. Ukraine produces some excellent artists. Back in last year, I think there were some great artists that, came out of Ukraine and they stood well. They stood really well and they did an extraordinary job by delivering, performing, giving great songs, great artists, great posture. But when we look at LELÉKA and what she's doing, it's a big improvement from what I saw last year. Her voice is just mesmerizing, bro. It is so good to listen to what she have to say and then you just apply that melody within you. Then you could get that melodic feeling of what she's doing, bro. She's just mind-blowingly good. She's mind-blowingly good, bro. Let's continue. Let's see what's up.
And turn all the walls to cheers. We'll see the trees grow, even at all.
That's genial. Oh my goodness. That was good. That note she pulled was good. Bro, she even get more perfect to do it. No. The last time I've heard her, it was so good. But this time she demolished that goodness, bro. She did it even more. She overdo it this time, bro. Oh bro, when you talk about great music, when you talk about great artistry, when you talk about delivery, when you talk about singing, bro, when you talk about an artist that is well calculated with every movement that was made by her, we have to include LELÉKA. She's just that good, bro. She's that good. Bro, come on. Put some respect on this woman's name. Put some respect on Ukraine artist's name, bro. Them, all those Ukrainians who are watching this video, big up yourselves, man. I love y'all so much. Thanks for giving the content that we all need. Thanks for producing such mesmerizing artists. It is just amazing to witness, bro. Thanks for giving us all this. As a Jamaican, this is approval for me, bro.
Turn all the walls to cheers. I know the roots still carry water. When all the seeds we've sown blossom and lead us home, we'll see the trees growing with taller.
Bro, she deserves everything that is added onto her. She delivered perfectly. Her performance was top tier. Her dress code was top tier. Her looks was top tier. Her artistry was top tier. Bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. All Ukrainians who are watching this video, bro. You know, all Ukrainians who are representing LELÉKA. Bro, be proud of her, man. Stand with her, support her. Because I'll give her my support because she deserves the support. As a Jamaican, I stand with her. Big up yourself, LELÉKA. I do enjoy that. Thanks for watching, my people. Stay tuned, subscribe. I'll be back again. And trust me, it will be a bizarre reaction. Just stay tuned, bro.